Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am the Crimson Thunderbird. Today we're doing something a bit different. I'm recording a video. It's not a playthrough of multiple videos. It's just a small clip, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe here, of me running from rats. I'm playing A Plague's Tale Requiem, the sequel to A Plague's Tale Innocence. And I wanted to show you this. This is my first time playing it for the second game here. It's pretty crazy. I mean, I've heard this game is like way better than the first one, and it's like it's really good. Anyways, it's like one of the best games of the year, basically. I can see why here. This scene is pretty crazy. I want to show you it. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Anyways, it's basically like an earthquake, except that it's rats that's destroying everything, which is just absolutely bonkers. It's pretty cool actually. And anyways, let's get. I'll show you. Let's get started here. I hope it loaded me.
What do you think it was?
I don't know.
See, she's in the
But it
town
woke me
here.
up.
The house.
She's trying to get to Higo, but
Curfew
something
is still
happened to
in
Higo
effect.
here.
Go back to your homes. What's going on? Tell us the truth.
Enough lies. No, run, all of you!
Look at that. That's crazy. Oh my god. Look at that.
No, no!
This is PS5 here. This is... Holy crap. So, there's rats behind me. I don't know.
Come on!
Look at that.
What's going on? What did they do to you?
Dude, it's like a tsunami. It's crazy.
Oh Lord! I told them this would happen. I'm sure it's that goddamn photo. There! The house! I can do
Yeah,
it!
we're trying to get to Higo here. Amicia's little brother. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh my. Holy, look at this. Get up, Amicia, get up. Get up.
Come on! Please stop this!
Look at that. Now we gotta turn here.
Please, Hugo, stop this! I'm coming to you!
Oh, look at that. Jeez. This is pretty crazy. Oh my.
Don't stay there, lady, they're coming!
Yeah. Oh, see, now we gotta turn around. I died here the first time here. I didn't know you're supposed to turn. Look at that. Holy. Come on, Amicia. Keep running.
Still standing, go, faster, faster!
Look at them. They're just destroying everything. Higo must be super angry.
You goddamn demons!
Yeah. Holy crap.
Hold on!
Higo must be angry, like so angry. Something must have happened. Maybe his mother. Because this is just crazy.
I'm here!
We're about to find out what happened. We're in the house now.
Son, do something. Ah, the protector, finally.
He won't calm down, I don't know what
Oh
to do.
no.
Let me...
Is Hugo okay?
Hugo!
Wake up, you're destroying everything, Hugo. Yeah, that guy was an asshole. That guy was not, yeah. He's gone. That's
Please,
good.
please! I know why you're upset.
You okay, Hugo?
Please!
See, they're calming down. You can see they'll calm down.
I had a nightmare.
I know.
What happened?
We should get out before everything collapses. Yes, Lucas must be waiting at the docks. Let's go.
Oof. That was a close one. Wow. Look at all
Amicia,
this destruction.
I should carry him. I'll do it. The city's gone. All of it. We have to leave. This is unprecedented.
So yeah, it's like an earthquake, which is even crazier than the first game.
What's going on?
Oh, Hugo.
I feel dizzy.
This poor kid.
Nothing. Go back to sleep.
Amicia, even though, you know, big sister to Hugo, Amicia is more like a mom too. Like a second mom.
These people. It's too late. Keep going.
Okay, yeah, like I said, I just want to show you that. Yeah. That's all I'm going to show here. I just wanted to show you that crazy scene there. That was pretty cool. Anyways, I'm going to get back to playing this game here. This game probably won't be on stream. I'll probably show some clips here and there for this one, but I won't be doing a playthrough of this game. This is all for me. Alright. Catch you later in the next video. This has been the Crimson Thunderbird. I will see you in the next video. Have a good day. Hey guys, it's me again. I wanted to show the rest of this scene here, so there's a bit of closure. Because I did kind of end the video abruptly, like just out of nowhere, and yeah. I should have ended the scene because right now Amicia is holding Hugo, and they're walking to the boat here. They're feeling pretty devastated, and I figured we should make sure that the video ends right here. Yeah. Hugo's feeling pretty bad, so. Amicia's just going to comfort him there and make sure everything's all right. And yeah, you'll see it here. And then afterwards, there'll be a 6-minute video showing what happened after the city on the boat there. It's actually pretty interesting. Definitely worth a watch. I just found the area so beautiful. All right, let's cut to that.
Hi.
Don't look. Keep your eyes closed.
Amicia. What happened?
It's the rats. They attacked.
No. No.
We're leaving, Hugo. I'm sorry.
It's like my nightmare. It's because of me.
Calm down, please.
No. It's my fault.
No. Dreams are dreams, all right? I'll give you something on the boat. It will calm you down.
No. I wanted to stop for real.
I'm sorry.
I wanted to stop Amicia.
It will. In Marseille, they'll help you.
It's not true. You keep saying that. But you're lying. Lying.
Hugo, please calm down. You have the right to be sad and angry, but I won't let you down. You know it.
We'll find a way. We will.
Are you all right? I thought you were...
We're all unharmed, Lucas.
Come aboard, quick!
It's only us. Magister Vaudin.
I see. Let's not waste time then.
Yes.
We need to get him to safety, Amicia.
You want to lock him away again. It's not the same thing.
You've seen what happens. The Order has people and equipment. They know how to handle this.
This happened because of what you and this Vonda did to Higo. Mother, shutting him away and keeping up with this torture will kill him. He's a child. He's a victim of all this too.
He's my child. We are not enemies, Amicia. I know you love Higo dearly, and I know you two share a bond that I cannot truly understand. But you need to open your eyes. What happened back there will happen again.
You're right. You just don't understand.
The debris! It's all piled up here!
I'm going to take a look.
I think I see the problem.
We'll take care of it together.
All right, kids. I'll let you handle this.
Hey, you can go back inside if you want.
No, it's all right.
I won't let you down. I told you. For now, we'll get that boat moving. But it's not over yet.
Yes, go on.
Thank you.
Look, there's a lot of debris stuck under the hull. Do we pull it out?
That would take too long. Maybe we can just push it?
Well, let's try.
Ready?
Yes.
Then push!
Oh, shit! You'll have to catch up!
What?
Amicia! Follow up!
We'll wait for you downstream!
Come on, let's find a way around.
Well, I hope Joseph will find a way to stop.
So many dead. They didn't deserve this.
It's a tragedy. I never thought that...
It's too late for that. But this island, Higo says it will fix all this. So it will.
How?
The question is where? We have to find it.
What about your mother?
I don't care. But you will have to pick a side.
She's... my magistrar.
Let's try through here.
It's quiet.
Oh, what the hell?
Don't panic. It's just a stag bellowing, I think.
Oh, Lord, I forgot they existed.
Mating season must have started already.
It's like nothing has changed for them.
Nature won't change its ways. The chaos we face is part of it. Somehow.
Except they are courting while we are trying not to die.
True.
Let's go back.
After you.
A passage, here. Through here. Here's the river. There they are.
Goodness. It's even worse from above.
That smell is terrible.